Hi everybody, welcome to week 2 and module 2. So this week we're going to start focusing on knowing yourself and just becoming aware of the benefits of self-awareness, how it helps you as a leader, how it can help you be more effective at developing your relationship. So we start out by a quote by Aristotle: knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. So your module materials this week are several different readings about awareness. There's a reading about reflection, which you'll be doing a lot of throughout this class, and the relationship with diversity. So the video here, the self-awareness test, this is going to be one of your assignments for this week, is to do ask these same questions with 2 to 4 people who know you well. They don't have to make videos like these people did. And see what kind of results you get. I'm going to ask you to share those on the discussion board, so if it takes you a little longer, just post when you're able to with those results. Tasha Eurich here has got a great book on increasing self-awareness, so there's a reading about her. Assessments, that's in the social identity assessment is in the course pack. ESCI, so be sure to start sending this out to your reviewers if you haven't already. Purchase it from the bookstore if you haven't already. And then another assessment that you might find helpful here is the VIA Character Strengths Assessment from Essentials 1. So the discussion board again is sharing, reflecting on your experience with the self-awareness test. Who did you ask and why? What did they say? What did you learn that you can use in the future? Module 2 really is asking you to reflect on the readings about the importance of self-awareness to be effective leaders. So that's an individual written assignment. And then the journal this week has you reflecting on the social identity profile that you complete. So complete the profile for work and for school and reflect on your results. And so answer those questions. Let me know if you have any questions as you go through the week. Otherwise, I will sign you up for the ESCI as soon as I get notification from the bookstore that you have purchased it. Otherwise, have a good week. Let me know if you have any questions.